Hi there, this is trainer Marcelo and this is a mini tour of my program 12-week body transformation. The first thing that you are going to receive is my nutrition education class, where I will teach you about macro and micronutrients and their benefit, how you should divide every single meal, the time schedule for your meals, food and drinks to avoid when trying to lose weight, healthy snack to control the hunger attack, how to lose weight from the supermarket, the pros and cons of supplements, and much more. You will receive a 7-day sample meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and a shopping list. In my program, I have included 60 workouts to help you burn fat and build strength with exercises combination that target all the major muscle group and abs. If you don't know how to perform a exercise, just click on the name of the exercise and a video tutorial will open. You only need a set of dumbbells, a mat, and the will to change your mind and body.